Capricorn, welcome to Tarot 411 with Yvette. I'm Yvette. I'm here to do a general reading on your sign for the month of July of 2023. As you can see, I'm outside today. It's a beautiful day, so I thought I would come out and do some tarot. What else do I want to say? It's pretty windy out here too, so let's just get started. Keep in mind that it can resonate sun, moon, or rising. It could be someone you know or not know, someone that you may be dealing with. What else? That's it. Let's just get straight to your reading. It can resonate in love, work. I don't know what's coming out. It can just be someone you might be dealing with, a family member, whoever, friends. Spirit, guide this reading for the sign of Capricorn. Give us clear-cut messages, Spirit, for the sign of Capricorn. Spirit, what's coming out for the sign of Capricorn? Thank you. Coming out for Capricorn, the overall energy for the month of July. Okay, so we got your card out in the reverse, the Devil. Normally I take these cards in the upright, and we have Justice here coming out here. So we have you coming out here. I feel like this is some like justice being served or something being removed or let go of here. Things are balancing out. We got the Eight of Swords at the bottom of the deck here. Let's keep going for the month of July for Capricorn, Spirit. We have the Four of Swords here. And the Ace of Wands just flew out. I feel like with this Four of Swords and this Ace of Wands here, I feel like you're meditating here, working magic here on someone's heart, or someone's doing this to you. Here, the Page of Cups is at the bottom of the deck. Let's keep going. Ten of Cups here. Stable family here. Happiness here. It's coming out for Capricorn in July of 2023. Ooh, the Knight of Cups flipped right over in the deck. This is a romantic offer. Someone is wanting to send a romantic offer to someone, and for some odd reason, that card here with that Two of Cups here to someone they want to connect with here. They see this person here, or you see this person. You want that four wands here, stability here with this person here. I'm going to take that too. And this is a love deal going on here. The Chariot is moving forward here. Queen of Swords flipped over too. Moving forward with some type of communication that could be making you happy here. Capricorn here. Balanced here with that temperance, being patient and calm here, Capricorn, with this communication here, where someone is wanting to, looking at things in a different, okay, about a 3 of Cups. Working with others, collaborating with others. This is communication with others. Page of Cups. Again, a message. Wanting to grow something here with that 7 of Pentacles. What do you want to grow? You want to heal here. Let's find out what this is about, because it's getting pretty deep. This feels like love. Let me shuffle this. Oh, that was a sorry shuffle. Spirit, guide this reading for the sign of Capricorn. I feel like you guys removed someone. The overall energy is letting go and justice here. The truth here. Relaxing. Taking a pause and a break here. I have the 10 of Cups after that. Maybe you're seeing something here, or someone is seeing something. Spirit, guide this reading for the sign of Capricorn. Let's find out why this. Let's just get right to the meat of it. What is this Queen of Swords here with this Temperance? Being calm and patient about communicating to a 3 of Cups. A group of people or friends, family here. Tell me more. Okay. Okay, so we got somebody here who is holding and standing up for yourself here. You're protecting yourself. You're in defense mode, and you may be maintaining your control here. Tell us more. Oh my goodness. You're using your intuition here with that High Priestess about the 3 of Pentacles here. Teamwork, collaborating here with other people. Okay, I see. King of Cups, trying to stay emotionally balanced while you do this. I feel like that's you're being trying to be supportive. Anything else coming out for Capricorn? I don't know why Sagittarius is popping up in my mind, but tell me more. Okay. Well, look at that. Take a break, rest and relax. That was the first card that came out for you, the 4 of Swords. Planning. You need to be in solitude here. Some of y'all need to be in solitude, recovering. You could be recovering here from something. And right after that is the 10 of Cups here. It says dreams coming true. I also feel like someone is wanting to say they're sorry here for some odd reason. I feel like they're sorry. I feel like for somebody here, this could be a broken family too. This is just the energy that I'm picking up on this right now. And I see many messages coming out. I feel like there was some type of conflict here for somebody here too. Okay, so let's go straight over here to the Cosmic Insight deck and pull 3 cards for your sign, Capricorn. Open your heart. It will help you to attract more love. Distance. You and your partner may be physically or emotionally distant here in this connection. Something's not stable for someone here. Someone's moving forward. Those are side messages for you, Capricorn. One more for Capricorn. Thank you, Spirit. They'll be back. Expect to hear from them soon here. So that, okay, love spell at the bottom of the deck. And I do have the Queen of Wands here next to this. As you can see, I feel like that's a confirmation for me, love spell being on a connection here about a partnership for somebody here. Okay, it says you've been bewitched. Okay, so as I leave this reading, please like and subscribe. I hope this resonates. Until next time, namaste.